Hello students, in the last class we have seen about natural resources. Today we are going to see the third chapter, that is weather and climate. So when the term comes in front of us, weather and climate, so it is related to the atmosphere which we feel. So let us see what is the difference, what is the meaning of weather and climate. So we feel sometime hot, sometime cold, sometime more chilled, more cold, sometime more sweaty. So this is nothing but it comes under weather and climate. So let me make you more clear what is the difference or what is the meaning of weather and climate. So let us go with the paragraph here. See, at a given place and at a particular time, the degree of temperature, wind, amount of humidity in the air and rainfall determine the weather. So weather is the condition prevailing for a short period of time over a small area. So you may experience different weather condition during the same day because weather changes constantly. The overall change weather condition that sustain for a long period makes season. So here, what do you mean by weather? Weather means it is a overall change in the same day. So in the morning we feel very cold. Soon in the noon, that is in the midday, we feel hot. So this is nothing but this is weather. So a change in the climate or change in the feeling in the day, so it is known as weather. So once again I will make you clear. So we all experience different weather condition during the same day. So just I told you. So weather changes constantly. Constantly means it keeps on changing all the time, all the day. So in the same day, the climate or the weather will not be same. So in the morning, just now I told you, it will be very cold, and in the late afternoon or in the afternoon, we feel hot, we feel sweaty. So that is what? That is weather. Then what is climate? So climate is an average of weather condition. So climate is an average of weather condition means here. So weather is of only for a short time or a short period. So within a day we have different kind of weather. But climate, we go with average. Average in the sense, we take it as a month or a season. So we consider it as totally. Generally we speak about that month or that season. That is known as climate. So climate is an average weather condition for a long period. Long period means maybe months, maybe season. So we have different season. We have rainy season, we have winter season, we have summer season, we have again summer. Before winter we have spring, autumn. So these are the seasons. We come to know. We see different type of climate during this season. So for example, in the winter, especially in the month of November and December, it is too cold, isn't it? We feel we like to go with woolen clothes like sweater, jackets. In the summer season, April, May, is it climate the same? No, the climate is totally different. So we feel sweaty, we feel hot. The humidity in the atmosphere means the heat in the atmosphere will be more, and due to that we don't like to go with such clothes. We use cotton thin clothes which we feel comfortable, and we like to go with fan, isn't it? In the summer season, most of us we like to go with cold water. So this is nothing but the change of climate because of it's a gift of nature. It is due to the factors of what you call the rotation and revolution of the earth, effect of the sun. So that is due to this all. We'll come to know more about in the next page. So I think you are clear with weather and climate. So I'll give an example. For example, this is What is this? This is a world map. There in front of you, there is a world map. I am going to make you clear. This is a world map. See here. So you can see here India. We will go with only India here. So this is world map. This is South America. This is North America. Europe is here. This is continent. Europe continent. African continent. Asian continent. So due to the rotation and revolution of the Earth and the slanting of the sun, means the sun rays of the sun on the Earth makes us different type of weather and different type of climate. So we see here, for example, I will take a small example of our India. So you know that we all know that where is Chennai or Mumbai. Mumbai are near to the sea. Mumbai and Chennai, they are near to the sea. One is to the Arabian Sea, one is near to the Bay of Bengal. And if you go with Delhi, it is at the northern part, at the center of India. So if you go with this, it is far away from equator. You can see here, this is equator. There are three lines here. This is equator. So Delhi is far away from the equator, 0 degrees, center line. You can see here this center line. This is 0 degree equator. So you can see, if you go with the globe, you will understand. So here it is 0 degree, and here we have what? Ocean and sea. So the distance of the ocean and sea and the equator makes the difference in the climate. For example, Delhi is far away from sea as well as the equator. So that's why the climate of Delhi is cooler than compared to Chennai. Why Chennai and Mumbai have hot climate? Because they are near to sea and they are near to the equator. So I think this is what the sun makes the earth to have. The sun and the sea and the ocean makes the areas differ in the climate or weather. So I think you understood this. Now we'll go with the next part. That is here. You can see here. You can see this part. As I told you. You can see here. So these two lines, I'll make you more clear. We'll go with these two lines first. You can see these two lines. Lifestyle. I think we'll go with that. A minute. You can see here. Okay. You can see. Let's see. Do you see this? The lifestyle. The video is not clear to you. I'll make you more clear. You can open the page and you can just go through the pages. You will be more clear from this. See here. Okay. So see here. Lifestyle of people, crops grown, clothes worn, food eaten, and houses built. The climate also affect the life of animals and plants found in a region. So what they're telling here? Here they are telling that. So you are clear with the weather and the climate. So weather is only for a short period and to a certain area, and it will be differ all the time constantly. Means it doesn't remain same. It keep on changing all the time. But the climate, the meaning of the climate is what? It is an average. It is an average of weather for a long period. So that is the difference. And this weather and climate makes the lifestyle of the people, crop grown, clothes worn, food eaten, and houses built. So this all effect on that area, the people, the living style of the people, the crops that they get there, and even it will affect on the food. So the climate also affect the life of the animals, not only human beings, even plants and animals also. We know that wherever we have hot area or hot climate, so we get the green part is very less, and wherever we have heavy rain or wherever we have cool climate, we see the greenery more there. So now let us go with the factors that determine climate. So there are different factors which makes these change in the climate. So just now I told you distance from the equator, height above the sea level, distance from the distance from the sea, height above the sea level, distance from the equator, and direction of the winds. So this, for example, if you the distance from the equator, just now I have shown you for examples here. You have seen distance from the equator means you can see here, this is equator, center line 0 degree. This is called equator, the line, the black line you can see here. So this is equator, and this equator, the sun has a major influence on the climate of the place. So the sun, so you can see the sun rays which are at the center, the vertical lines. So here we have direct sun and we have heat more here, and the slanting slopy sun rays, both the northern side and the equator, on the northern side and on the southern side. So here we feel less sun rays, but at the center the heat is very much, the rays are very high, or the rays are very heat, we can say. Due to this we have here we have hot climate, here we have cool climate. So if you see the globe, we come to know that the area along the equator gets direct heat from the vertical rays of the sun, and thus hotter than the other latitudes. So what we get, just now I told you, the center or the vertical rays, straight rays which effect on the earth, so has more heat than compared to the other, the distance which is far away to reach the rays to the earth, they have less heat. So that's why the central part, the center of the sun or the center of the earth, when it rotates, it gets more heat than the other part. Then one more point we will discuss here. As we move away from the equator, rays of the sun become slanting. This makes the climate less hot. So slanting in the sense, northern part, we know that the snow area are very cold areas, Arctic region, Arctic continent, and the slanting areas of the southern Antarctica. If you go with Antarctica or if you go with Arctic, so we see the snowfall, totally cold, even the style of the people, very less population. So these all depends on the rotation and revolution of the earth and the effect of the sun which it undertakes. So I think you are clear with the equator and the sun rays and the globe rotation and revolution. So you understood little bit about the weather and the climate. Will be made more clear in the coming video. So hoping for your better understanding. I hope you understood better. If you have any query, you can call and ask. Thank you. Have a nice day.